Yeah.
For the motion, item number 1.
The visual.
Yeah.
One of the connected IA has been filed for condoning the delay of 19 days in preparing.
Yeah, who appears for the other side?
For the state respondents, respondent number 4 and 5. Yes. So let notice go, Your Lordship.
Who are the other respondents?
Private respondents, Your Lordship, 1 to 3 are private respondents.
Well, there are 3 private response, my lord. But as the delay is very
1
less, my
to
lord.
3, 6, 7, and 8. Your Lordship.
Maybe a delay is late, but then at least notice has to go.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
Not Mr.
RB Guha, my lord.
Are we going on the counsel for the applicant? This is an application seeking for condonation of 19 days delay in filing the conducted appeal. Stop. Issue notice. MSV Sokril and additional AG Nagaland appears for respondents 4 and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
4 and 5. Applicants to take step for service of notice on the respondents 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. 6, 7 and 8. Union of India is there. And 8. You can't hear me. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Sakre?
Yes, yes.
No? Okay. Then hurt Mr. It is too loud. Are we?
RB Guha, my
Go
lord.
ahead. Let me counsel for the applicant. This is an application seeking for condonation of 19 days delay in filing the connected appeal. Stop. Issue notice. MSV Sokre, Leonard Edition AG, Nagaland appears on behalf of respondents 4 and 5. Applicants to take steps for service of notice on respondents 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 by registered post ID within 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks.
My lord, may I pray for fixed date, my lord? I am from our station, my lord.
September.
Obliged. My lord, the registry may be directed to reflect my name in the cause list, my lord.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr. R.B. Gohan, Leonard Counsel for the petition for the applicant in the cause list.
Again,
For the motion, item number 2.
May it please, Your Lordships. Lordship, in the writ petition, the dispute was to reports of peon in the Government Higher Secondary School, Jaluki. We were not a party. The Jaluki Village Council was not a party. Now, the writ petition was decided by the Honorable Single Judge, and the direction was that the posts should be advertised and filled up through a selection process. We have not agreed with that. But in coming to the conclusion, in passing that direction, one of the conclusions the learned single judge came to was that the land donated by Cherokee Village had been compensated. We are agreed by that finding, by that conclusion.
Lordship, in this regard, we want to see that now the petitioner, the appellant are approaching this court, challenging the judgment passed by the learned single judge, saying that the documents which we annex in our affidavit is false, fabricated, and concocted documents. So, Your Lordship, this is not the appropriate forum to entertain.
So let us see what happens.
Otherwise, Your Lordship, he is not coming in the form of a review also, to review the matter also. Even that is a disputed question of facts, whether this court can entertain on that. And we don't.
He's saying that the 2 paragraphs in the judgment would have some repercussions
Yes.
on the applicant.
But Your Lordship, may kindly appreciate that Basing on that document, my lord has come to the conclusion that the post has to be advertised. Yes,
No,
so
yeah.
your lordship,
Is it my judgment?
yes,
No.
your lordship, it is your judgment, your lordship.
No, that's not right.
This is wrong.
It's not his
That is the
Justice-
judgment of
Justice
Justice
Kaka.
Kalita.
Okay.
Kaka, I think.
You are trying to push me here.
Justice Kalita.
Kalita.
Muthu Kumar Kalita. Justice Muthu Kumar Kalita. No, Your Lordship, the conclusion is on the basis of two findings by the Honorable Single Judge. The first is that someone from amongst the landowners has already been appointed. Now, we're not questioning it. So someone from the landowner side has already been appointed as a peon in a grateful category in the Government Higher Secondary School.
Only that finding. Only that.
Yes, and in my absence. I don't know why the state can have an objection to that. That's a right in my absence.
But your lordship, if you see the documents, your lordship,
Give me the Gauhati High Court rules.
Yes. Chapter 5, Rule 76D.
Open chapter 5, rule 76. Chapter 5.
The Lordship's got it, Rule 76. If we are having the 2022 rules, it's at page 53.
Page 53. Oh, which one? This is 2015.
2022.
You don't have the updated. 2015.
2022, this is the latest one.
Give us the latest. Yes, 76D.
D. The Lordship's found 76D.
Yeah.
Yes, so this rule states, whenever by a decree or order which is applicable to the High Court, the interest of D, when you come straight to D elections, a person whose interest arose after the date of such decree or order by reason of any creation or devolution of interest by, to, or from any part of such a decree or order is affected, and such beneficiary, legal representative, assignee, or person was not or has not been made a party to such decree or order or proceedings thereunder or thereon and desires to appeal therefrom, he may name himself in the memorandum of appeal as an appellant if along with such memorandum of appeal he presents an application for leave to appeal. It is permissible by the rules.
for that matter, to your lordship, I have no issue, but your lordship say, what the petitioner is playing before this court is that the documents is concocted and fabricated.
That's what. We are on the leave.
Yes,
To
yes,
appeal.
yes.
Once the appeal is listed,
Yes.
then you can raise that issue. Not there, not in the leave appeal.
Lordship.
Yes, but Mr. Zimami, learned counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant, namely the Jaluki Village Council, is praying for leave to appeal against the judgment and order. Prove the order,
Is at page 17.
judgment and order.
Page 17 of the IA. Judgment now dated 35/23
35/2023,
in WPC
passed in WBC number 316/2017, on the ground that they were not parties in the said writ petition, and the findings
Yes.
at paragraphs
Paragraphs 12, 20, and 21.
12, 20, and 21, wherein it is stated that the land
Donated
donated by the village
has been compensated.
village council, by the Jaluki Village Council, has been compensated.
And that also, Your Worship, not by the state, it is by the Zilian Tribal Council.
Has been compensated by the Ziliang Tribal Council staff. The applicant therefore states that unless a review is, unless the leave is granted, it would have a repercussion on the Jaluki Village Council in future. So, considering the submission made, leave for application is allowed.
The second motion is for delay. So from the date of judgment, there is 30 days delay. From the date of knowledge, there is 11 days delay.
Soccer.
No objection on that motion.
Heard is Imami Learned Counsel for the applicant. This is an application praying for delay of praying for continuation of delay of 30/11 days delay in filing the connected application. MSV Soccer Learned Additional AG appearing on behalf of the respondents. On behalf of the opposite parties, 1 to 5 has no objections. We have perused the course shown in the present application and we are satisfied. Accordingly, the delay of 30/11 days delay in filing the connected appeal is condoned. This is directed to list the writ appeal, to register the writ appeal.
It is already registered.
How it is registered?
Writ appeal number 9.
How it is registered? Register the writ appeal in its usual course. Register is directed to register writ appeal, to list the writ appeal in its usual course.
So, Your Lordship, in the writ appeal, I'm asking for an interim order.
That will come up in the next division bench.
Very well. Much obliged. May that be mentioned in Lordship?
No, I'll
Sorry.
see.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 2.
Have you filed your reply affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When? When did you file it?
14/6/2023, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, for today, I've been instructed to withdraw the case with the liberty to file it at the appropriate court.
Is this a PI?
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is a PIL. PIL. Okay, MS, your good name?
Limika Kinini.
Limika Kinimi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Prays for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to approach the appropriate forum. Mr. M. Timson and the additional AG appears on behalf of the respondents. 1 to 4. The present PIL is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal with liberty escape.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Notice FOR will be served to respondent number 5 to trustees of this, Your
Have
Lordship.
you filed your affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship, this morning, Your Lordship.
Report to memo. Report to memo. The morning. Okay, your good time, please.
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Your good time.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Your good name, please.
Lipeni P. Junior, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that she has filed an affidavit showing service of notice on the respond number 5. Registry to verify and place the same on record. List the matter in the next division bench. Oh, list the matter after 1 week.
For orders, item number 5.
Your Lordship. Notice to respondent number 5 have been completed through registered AD, Your Lordship.
Has the AD card,
Yes, Your Lordship.
has it come back?
No. Registered AD. Notice.
When did you file your, when did you
On 28, Your Lordship.
28/7.
28/7/2022, Your Lordship.
Our service report on respond number 5. And list the matter after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Finish.
Man.
Finish.